Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having some Raisin Canes. Somebody requested this in the comments, so we're gonna have some today. So I'll be right back. I'm back. I got the goods. I got it for you. Some Raisin Canes. Raisin Canes. Now, this is my first time. I will give you a rating out of 1 out of 10 to let you know my thoughts. So let's not waste any time. Let's eat. Alright. So first things first, I got me a Coke. A nice Coke. Coca-Cola. Raisin Canes. Now, let me show you. 6-piece. It looks pretty small, to be honest. Some fries, coleslaw. They gave 2 sauces. So let me show you. So that's supposed to be a 6-piece with some toasts, some fries, coleslaw, with 2 sauces in the back. Oh, almost lost my bread. Then 2 sauces. I know a lot of people are talking about the sauce and it's so good. People have even been getting big cups full of them. Obviously, I'm not going to do that, but let's see how it is. Let's start with some Coke. There you go. You know what? Wait, I need a fork or spoon. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm back. All right. So you know what? They didn't give me any utensils or ketchup, and I asked for ketchup, but that's okay. We'll make the most of it. So let me open the sauce. This is what it looks like without me spilling it. Ooh, almost came out. I saved it. And then they have coleslaw. Coleslaw looks pretty good. So I'll let you know how that goes. Alright. So let's not waste any more time. Let's eat. So here are the chicken strips. To be honest, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. But it's okay. It's all about the taste. Okay. It's good. I know it'd probably be very delicious with it coming straight out of you know, the oven, which I came straight here And you can tell this is completely white breast meat, which is great, and I love it. So I would say out of 1 out of 10, I'd probably give it a good 7, maybe 8. Oh, it's not bad at all. It's pretty good. I'm a huge foodie, so I critique heavy on deliciousness. I know there are a lot of people that absolutely love this. It's good. A place I would definitely try out. Now, as far as the sauce is pretty good. A little sweet. I have no idea what concoction this is. It has a little bit of spice, sweetness, maybe like ranch, maybe mayo. Not sure, maybe a little bit of barbecue. If any of you know what that concoction is, write it down in the comment. I'm very curious. Now, would I want a big, ginormous cup like this of the sauce? No, you don't need that. But it is pretty good. Try some of their fries. Fries are pretty good. Regular crinkle cut fries. Again, same. If it was fresh, steaming hot, piping, would probably be more delicious. Now, let me try some coleslaw. Coleslaw is pretty good. Coleslaw. It's not too sweet. To be honest, this is really subtle. It doesn't have a ton of flavor. It's pretty good. Definitely worth a try. Let me get some of this going, and then I'll try my toast. Some ketchup. I have some ketchup. Now, I'm one, if I go to any fast food place, I save my condiments and extra folks Because you never know one day if you need it. And there have been plenty many times where I've used it. So put down in the comments, do you save your condiments or do you just throw them away? Do you throw away your extra napkins, forks? There was a time before we saved all of the condiments and we gave all of our ketchups away because we made hot dogs for the homeless. So again, it wasn't wasteful. We used it. We'll probably do that again. So let me know if you do that. Do you save your condiments or do you just toss them away? Write it down in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here's toast. Interesting how it has sesame seeds. Let me try the toast. It literally tastes like the sesame seed bun in toast form. It's okay. It's a good compliment to your meat. See, look at this itty bitty piece of chicken. Right? Is it just me? Because obviously this is the first time you're eating it. These are pretty small, right? It's as big as my finger. This is one chicken strip. I feel like I kind of got gypped. This is kind of small, right? Or is it just me? Write it down in the comments. I feel like the chicken strips were supposed to be a little bit bigger. But it's okay. I'll still eat it. I have to drink while I eat. If I don't drink, it gets stuck. I don't know how some people, they eat and they never drink until the very end, which I totally got because you want to enjoy your food, but I literally need some liquid to help move the food. Before I forget, again, throw in the comments, what would you guys like to see? I already have a list going, but if there's something specific you'd like to see, let me know. I want pizza. One of my next ones that is coming up is a 2-time spicy. I know some of you are excited to see that one. I know it's going to be hot. And you guys are gonna love it. So let me know. Is there anything else you'd like to see? I'm gonna try one more strip, finish my bread and coleslaw and fries. But how are you guys doing today? Anything new? Hope all of you are doing well. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. I love to eat with my family, which you guys are my family. All of you are welcome. So please make sure you like, share, subscribe. Okay, one more strip. I'm getting full. One more. Again, I feel like it's like half a strip. Not funny, right? I don't know. They trying to save some money on some chicken. Excuse me. So this whole meal, on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm between the 7 and 8. I feel like, I know with a lot of different places, I know it's based sometimes on location, and not every single location is the same. Coming to that conclusion, some people have awesome hot wings at one location, and another location the wings were cold and not as crispy. So this location, I feel like it's a 7.5. I feel like strips I could probably have gotten a little bit bigger. As far as taste, the taste is good. Just the overall experience, 7.5. If I go to another location, I'll rate it all over again. Let me wash it down with some juice. No, I mean soda. All right, last bite of coleslaw. Just a little tidbit about me. I'm from Hawaii. And I want to go back soon. I have family there, but I miss it. Hawaii will always be in my heart. Hoping I can retire there. So, we'll see. And when I do go back to Hawaii, I'll definitely go to some spots and show all of you popular plates: loco moco, spam musubi, Especially go to Zippy's. So hit a thumbs up if that's something that you like to see. Finish off my fries. Last bite. Love my fingers. Thank you everyone for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you soon.